Okay, good morning everyone. My name is M. Alef Rinaldi, and today we are going to present our research project titled Hybrid CNN VIT for 3-class SEL classification in knee MRI with ROI-free annotation localization. This study explores how we can leverage the combined power of CNN and VIT to improve medical diagnosis without the need for manual annotation. Okay, next. To start, let's look at the current challenge. Although MRI is the gold standard for SCL evaluation, interpretation is highly difficult. We see an inter-observer variability of up to 20% among radiologists, especially when distinguished between partial and complete tiers. Furthermore, most existing AI models focus only on binary classification, tier versus no tier, and rely heavily on manual ROI annotation, which are expensive and time-consuming to produce. Okay, next. This leads us to the research gap. Current CNN-based model focus primarily on local features, while standalone VIT are often data-hungry. Most importantly, there is lack of systematic approaches that provide clinical granularity, meaning 3 distinct classes, healthy, partial, and complete, while also eliminating the need for manual ROI. Our goal is to bridge this gap by capturing global context across MRI slices automatically. Okay, next. Our proposed solution is an end-to-end hybrid pipeline. As shown here, we collect data from internal and external source, perform intensity normalization, and then move into two-stage feature extraction process. We use CNN backbone for local features and transformer encoder for global context. The result is an interpretable model that provides 3-class classification and automatic attention localization. Okay, maybe that's just that for me. Next.
Okay, we utilize two major datasets. Our primary dataset is the knee MRI, which provide 917 exams with 3-class labels. As you can see, the data imbalance is particularly for partial tiers. For external validation, we use the MRNet dataset from Stanford, which contains 1,370 exams. This allowed us to test is our model could generalize across different institution and scanners type. Next, let's dive into the architecture. We process sagittal MRI slices using an Efficientnet B0 backbone to extract rich local features. These features are projected into token and fed into a Fission transformer encoder with multi-head self-attention. This allowed the model to learn long-range dependencies across different slices of the knee. Finally, a classification head predicts the ACL status, healthy, partial tear, or complete rupture. Next, one of our key contribution is ROI-free localization. By using patch-based self-attention, the model autonomously learns where the ACL is located. In this visualization, you can see that even in a misclassified case, the high attention area represented by the red heat map is correctly centered on the ACL region. This provides a visual interpretability, allowing clinician to trust the model decision-making process. Lastly, now, for the performance metrics, our hybrid CNN VIT achieved an accuracy of 80.14% and the highest macro F1 score of 0.5975, outperforming the baseline CNN. Looking at the ROC curves, the model is exceptionally reliable at detecting healthy cases with an AUC of 0.84, while distinguishing between partial and completely ruptures remaining more challenging. Our models show superior balance across all 3 classes. Nah.
To further validate our result, we use GradCam visualization We analyzed the attention patterns across 9 different slices for each class. We observed that for healthy, partial, and complete tears, the model consistently focused on the anatomically relevant ACL structures. This confirms that the model isn't just guessing based on noise. This is identifying clinical patterns in the ligament. To ensure real-world applicability, we perform cross-institutional validation on the mRNet dataset. Without additional retraining, our model achieved a remarkable AUC-ROC of 0.8965 and an accuracy of 82.50%. This high performance on a completely independent dataset prove that our hybrid approach is robust and transfer effectively across different hospital settings and scanner vendors. Of course, there are limitations. The class imbalance in the knee MRI dataset and our reliance on only digital views are areas for improvement. In the future, we plan to incorporate multi-view sequence digital, coronal, and axial, and explore 3D architecture. We also aim to validate this model on a wider range of scanners to further strengthen its generalizability for clinical deployment. In conclusion, our hybrid CNN VIT architecture successfully combines the local precision of CNN with the global context of Transformer. We have demonstrated that ROI-free localization is not only possible but effective, reducing expert workload and annotation costs. This research provides a generalizable and interpretable framework that moves us closer to automated, high granularity ACL assessment in clinical practice. Thank you for your time.